I won't have you on camera, girl. I have the old girl, not you. I screw up enough as it is. Same spot, roughly?
Yeah, I put the second one a little further up.
Okay. I'm not saying a word, just
Remi.
I'll comment on the point. I'm sure it'll be beautiful. Boy, she has excitement though. She loves this, Chad.
Yeah. First.
Well, they both flew to the kind of northeast, so we'll see what they do this time.
Thunderbird. Right up here, Dad. Hold on.
Okay. Oh, she's got scent, Chad. Nice. I'll step on it. You walk on up, so you can control her. You walk on up. I got it. Go ahead.
Whoa.
Beautiful, Chad.
Whoa. It's right here.
Yeah, let her stomp a little bit.
Whoa. Right.
That's how good that wind's coming at her like that, so she thinks it's right there.
You ready?
Yep.
Whoa.
Beautiful. Oh, shoot.
That bird, Remi.
Let her work it. I got it marked, so.
Here. Find a bird. Over here.
Remi. Remi, back.
Where Sasha's was.
Right there where that, what the caterpillar's like. One of these going right down there is where it fell.
Remi, here.
Just tell her back. Let her work to find it.
She's stuck. Hey, here.
Oh.
Over here. Dead bird. Find a bird. Dead bird.
I'll tell her.
Dead bird. Find a bird.
There she goes.
Good
Get her.
girl. Find a bird. Dead bird.
Gotta go over just a little more. She's
Dead bird.
upwind of it. She's upwind of it.
Hey, over here. Remi. Hey.
Then tell her back when she gets here. Just tell her back.
Find a bird.
Back.
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 Hey,
Remi, back.
bird in here. Dead bird. Find a bird. Where's it at? Find a bird.
There's no wind right now, so it's tough on her.
Find a bird.
There's wind.
Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at?
Just to your.
Dead bird. It's in here.
Tell her back and over so she learns.
Hey, over. Here. Back. Dead bird. There, she's got it.
Beautiful.
Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Find a bird. Where's it at? Fetch it up.
Nice point, Chad.
Where's it at?
She's such a good pointer. It's right in front of her, about a foot in front, right? She's right on it now.
Where's it at? I just want to see her. Hey, where's it at? Find
I thought it was right there. Did it move on us?
There it is. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Whoa. Whoa. Good girl. Fetch.
There you
Fetch
go.
it.
There you go.
Good girl. Here. Here. Fetch here. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Bring here. Here. Fetch here. Here. Drop
Now
it.
remember, that's hard when it's hot for them. That was pretty good.
Nope. Hey.
Because that's how they breathe.
Nope. Drop it.
Drop.
Good girl. That's a good girl.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yes.
Good job.
Good girl.
She got little hunt down.
Good girl.
Get you another shell. Good shot, son. That was good. Oh, I'm on the rope. At her. All right. It's all right. You need one? Oh.
That's a good dog.
Her nose is so much better than somebody else's. I'm not going to say the name, but Sasha. She and Willow both, it's just amazing the difference. I mean, she's pointing that bird that far away with no wind.
Yeah. Good girl. Here. Over here. Here. Good girl.
Goes
Hey.
right back to that launcher.
Here.
Same spot there.
Yeah, it's actually up just on the road.
Okay.
Right up this clump right here.
Okay. Just gonna wait till the rope goes by there. All right. Yeah. Okay. Well, she should. Oh, I see it now. She'll whiff it here in a minute. That's amazing, Chad. You
See? Whoa. Whoa. Oh, we don't have it yet. Strip. Where's it at?
whoa.
Yeah, whoa. There she got it.
Okay.
Whoa.
She can't go. I'm on her.
Whoa. Yes. Whoa. 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 Right?
Yep. Perfect. Good job. She's on that one.
Put you here.
She's right behind her, right behind her. But
Yeah, she'll get it.
there she got it. Awesome. It fell in the thickest stuff it could fall into. Good shot, son. Give her a minute because it fell in that thick stuff, so it might have rooted around in there.
Put you here. Here. Good girl. Here.
Yes.
Yes. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Remi, here. Put you here. Good girl. Here. Good girl. Here.
Remi!
Hey, 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 hey. Remi, here. Here.
It's hot though, so
Good girl.
that's all right. As hot as it is,
Drop.
that's good as hot as it
Good
is.
girl. That's a good dog. That's a good dog.
Throw it like 10 feet, but get the rope so she can't go far. Just because it's hot, so don't throw it far, but
Hey,
make her
catch it.
bring it right to you.
Here. Put you
It's
here.
hot, so
Straight in there. Where's it at? Put you here. 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 Bring it here. Bring it here. Here.
it's just too hot.
Oh, she's tied up on her one foot.
All right,
Here.
that's all right. That's all right.
Good girl. Nope. Good girl.
Perfect. Perfect, girl. As hot as it is, you're awesome. You're a rock star. Oh, she's wrapped up twice. I'll
Good girl.
just unhook her. Clip it on one of my clips here. I'll just drag it back.
Good girl.
Clip it on that clip there.
Break it. Good girl.
That was-
Oh, your water bottle.
What's that?
Your water bottle.
Oh, I dropped it. Didn't even know I did. Oh, Chris just pulled up, I think.
Here you go.
She won't. She's like Sasha. She don't want to drink yet. Oh, that's all right. I got your gun. Grab that launcher. And
Good girl. That's a good dog.
that was damn good.